Alright, now welcome back to my class. In today's class, we want to look at what we call coordinate geometry and what we call a subtopic, distance between 2 points in what? A Cartesian plane. Let's now look at it with what? A diagram. How do we solve this? How do we show the formula for distance between 2 points? Very simple. First of all, let's look at this Cartesian plane that has x and y axis, or x abscissa and what? Y ordinate. Let's look at this. Look at this. We have this y-axis and we have this x-axis. Now, for 2 points, let me assume this line is a straight line on the plane. We have this line as the plane, or a straight line on the plane, and it has 2 points. They have 2 points. P is x1 and y1. That's the coordinates of this point. And points Q as S2 and what? Y2. That's also the coordinates of this point. Now you're asked to show or find the distance of this particular what? Point to this point. Distance between these 2 points, the formula itself. How do we do that? Simple. On the x-axis, we have to what? Draw a straight line showing the points where the x-axis fall. This one also will come down. You get that? And let me assume this is like this. So at this point is S1, Y1. At this point is S2, Y2. So it means that on the vertical side, the distance from here to here, let's call this one PSQ, let's call here R. So the distance from here to here is what? Y2 minus Y1. That is the distance of the coordinates from here to here. Why from here to here, this is x1, this is s2, is what? S2 minus what? x1. That's the distance from that point to that point. Now, naturally speaking, what we're going to do here is called Pythagoras theorem. The distance from this point to this point is still an triangle. So we're going to call Pythagoras theorem to get the distance. Let's see. So from here to here is PQ. Here to here is PR, and here to here is QR. Pythagoras theorem. We're going to be having that PQ, distance itself, PQ squared, is equal to, let me assume this one first, PR squared, then plus what? QR. QR squared. This is how we get distance between 2 points. So the distance between P and Q, let's assume is what? D. Is now what? D squared is now equals to what? PR from here to here is what? S2 minus S1 all squared plus from here to here is this Y2 minus Y1 all squared. So lastly, distance D is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus what? y1 all squared. We call this the distance between 2 points in a plane or Cartesian what? Plane under what? Coordinate what? Geometry. So in our next class, we're going to solve questions using this particular formula to understand how this works for coordinate what? Geometry in a plane shape. Thank you for your time. Please, if you love what you just seen, kindly subscribe to this channel. Kindly like, share, and drop a comment for more questions. God bless you. Wish you best.